So, hello everyone. This is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst, and today I'm going to talk about three advanced Excel hack that every data analyst should know. And these tricks save your time and make your work more efficient, and you can impress your team with it too. So let's start with it. So first hack is to mastering the VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is a lifesaver when you use it. When it is a huge data set and a large data set, it helps you fetch data from one column to another based on a unique identifier that you can choose. So let's say you have a product table, okay, and you have a sales table, and you need to fetch the price of a particular product. VLOOKUP does that within a second, so you can really easily map it. And you have to remember this thing. This is a pro tip. You need to use true for approximate matches and false for exact matches to get the best results. So true means even if it will be approximately nearby, it will give, and false will mean it has to match exactly, like font and all the things, format, everything should match. So try it out. If it improves and simplifies your workflow, do let me know in the comments below. And the second tip is to creating pivot tables for quick insights. So pivot tables are a go-to tool that I use all the time for summarizing, analyzing, as well as visualizing data without writing complex formulas that I don't need to for unnecessary reasons. So you can, for example, easily group the sales data just by region or month to identify the trends that are in there. And a pro tip for it is to use the value field setting that is there to help switch between sum, count, average, calculation for your data fields. So if you haven't used pivot tables yet, do that and guarantee it will change the way you work. And do let me know in the comments below. And the third one and the last hack is to use conditional formatting to highlight the data. So conditional formatting helps you visualize your highlighting and the important data that is based on your critical specific criteria that you will provide. So for example, if you use a flag sales that is below a target, or highlight up to 10% performer on a data set, you can do that with the conditional formatting. So, and the pro tip again for this is to use custom formulas to create more advanced conditional formatting rules, so that it, for example, you can create funnels like 10%, top 15%, 20%, like that. And this is one of my favorite hack, and try it and let me know in the comments below. And if you are already using any of the tips, also let me know. So these were the three my favorite Excel hacks that I use, but there are so many more to learn. So in my course in TopMate, I already discussed about Excel in great detail, and we have a whole hack, as well as in my resource pack also I have Excel Bible and lot of Excel hacks like that. So you can buy it up, my course, as well as my resource pack. You can buy it there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So do check out the TopMate account for it, and in the description you'll find my Linktree link for my socials and TopMate account for buying the course, mentorship, discovery call, and a chance to connect with me, as well as also the resource pack that I talked about. So let me know that which Excel hack that you like the most in it, and share your favorite one. Even if it's what only 3 ones, but I use it all the time. So let me know if you have any hack like that for Excel. And thanks for watching. And if you found these Excel hacks useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who might need it. And keep learning and growing, guys.